Now let's build RagBot in live. First, let's get all the data from the internet. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm trying to give a live HTML document. This is the website of a Python document, Python docs. So I've just given the live URL of that website, and I'm trying to get 5 pages data, extract all the 5 pages data, and create embeddings of all the 5 pages. So it started extracting the website data from the website. It is done. Pre-processing is also done. Embeddings generation got started. Now embeddings got saved in my ChromaDB. Now let's run the Python, the API endpoint. So this is my API got executed, and now I will just ask a question. What is a list data? What is a list in Python? I'll execute it. Okay, I'm getting an issue now. So what is that issue? Unprocessed entity. Oh wait, I've given some wrong thing here. I do not give this one. Okay, let's understand. Just ask something. So here you can see it is going to that embeddings, and it started giving me the result. It has given me from the context list is in Python is described as sequential type. Here's the relevant excerpt from the context. This indicated as list is one of the built-in sequential types of Python. Along sequential type, it seems what is a list. So okay, so that's it. Thank you.